right, credit score, check. You've been working on that. Debt to income ratio, check. Yeah, I can afford this payment. Third thing, down payment. In this economy, how can you save for a down payment? Let's check out some options for you. Welcome back. This is Jeremy with CU Mortgage Direct, bringing you from your closing table to your own kitchen table. How do you save for a down payment right now? I love a good coffee shop just like the next person, but it makes it hard to save for a down payment. So what are some of your options? Obviously, if you have it, fantastic. You're doing great. But if you've been watching my videos, one of the best options is South Dakota Housing. So South Dakota Housing has options where they will actually give you 3% or 5% of your purchase price for down payment and closing costs. Now, there's a caveat. The caveat is eventually you do have to pay it back when you sell the house or refinance the house. Otherwise, there's no monthly payment to it, and it's a 0% interest rate. Also, if you've been watching my videos, all the down payment requirements. If you remember, FHA has a 3.5% down, and conventional can range from anywhere from 3 to 5% down. The best thing to look at is maybe South Dakota Housing. That's option one. Another option to check out is Grow South Dakota. I left Grow South Dakota's website right here for you to check out. Grow South Dakota is very similar to the first-time home buyer loan, to where they can give you down payment assistance and or closing costs. Now, again, same caveat as South Dakota Housing. Eventually, you have to pay back this down payment or closing cost assistance once you sell the house or refinance the house. Otherwise, there's no monthly payment. The majority of their funding is between $5,000 to $7,500, and they also do have income guidelines, but check out their website. Another way to check out for down payment assistance is the city that you live in, or maybe the city that you want to move to. For example, in Sioux Falls, they actually have up to $20,000 down payment assistance for public safety officers living in a specific neighborhood. That's just one example. So call City Hall and see if they have any down payment assistance for you. Now, do you have a 401k? Do you have investments? Can you cash it out? Is there any penalty? Check with your employer to see if maybe you can borrow against your 401k and what that looks like for you. Maybe, just maybe, you have a mom, dad, or a relative that's willing to give you down payment assistance also. So it doesn't hurt to ask. One thing to keep in mind, talk to your lender about them giving you this down payment. And the reason why I say that, there is paperwork and we have to prove where this money came from. So that's just another great option. Now, one thing to think about, there are some lenders out there that are giving grants or gifts. Check those out and see what their interest rates are. Sometimes they give you things like closing costs or grants, or maybe a no closing cost loan. But what they do is they increase their interest rate. Does it make sense over the life of the loan? I don't know. Check it out. Now, one of the things that I want you to do, call a trusted lender like myself or someone else and ask them, what do they have out there for down payment assistance? If you have any questions, please call, text, or email me. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about the home buying process, check out all of these videos that I have out here.